Well, the sky putting on a show to close out your Sunday, and tonight we have a few things you can check out as you look out toward that moon off in the western sky. The bright star you see just to the low part of the moon there and off to the right, well, that is Venus. And then this one up here, I'll just point this one out up here, that's Mars. So a couple of planets there around the moon, which is very bright in the sky, which is now cleared off nicely. Now take a look at this, 38 degrees, it's cooling off, wind pretty light, a little bit of a wind chill out there, it's cool. Here's a look at your current conditions out at Grand Forks, 30 degrees, north wind at 7, feels like 23. It's cold, below freezing within Hutch's freezing circle inside there. It's a little warmer out in central parts of the Dakotas in the upper 30s. Fargo, the warm spot here, holding in the upper 30s. 35 for Bay of the Blue Ox in Bemidji. The warm air, well, not too warm, even down to the south. Check out the blue colors. This cool, dry air has worked its way all the way down to the Gulf Coast where they have cool 60s there. Look at Atlanta at 56 degrees. It is warmer down in the desert southwest. Now, with that cool air goes a cold front off of the Atlantic shores. It's causing and has caused some showers and thunderstorms off of the Florida peninsula and out into the Atlantic. Unsettled weather in the central plains. For us, we had clouds and a few showers here that are starting to clear as we head into the overnight hours. Will there be northern lights? Well, more on that. Let's check out the cloud cover first and foremost. A few clouds here should be clearing as we get cold tonight, down in the 20s by daybreak. But the wind dies down, and for most of us, we'll have clear skies. I cannot rule out some spotty areas of fog in central portions of Minnesota. Then as we go through the remainder of your day, we'll see temperatures climb out of these 20s and work their way up into the 40s. Now, remember, average highs this time of the year are closer to that 60-degree mark, but we're going to be going in the right direction, just not quite that warm. No more clouds across Minnesota as we go through the day, and I cannot rule out a spotty shower in central Minnesota. The rest of us quiet with a lot of sunshine to the west. In Fargo, that means we start at 28. They're stepping up all the way up to near 50 degrees. We'll have some sunshine here. Our eastern neighbors will have a better chance at a few clouds drifting overhead. We start the day clear and in the 20s, on our way into the mid 40s for most. A few of us will get closer to 50 degrees here in the southern Red River Valley. Viewing tips. First of all, tonight's chance for an aurora is very small. I just checked out the numbers. There's just not a lot of energy going over the planet tonight, but there is a small chance. There's some clearing going on. Check that satellite. In fact, the best chance does appear to be in the early overnight here, but it's not looking like we're having a lot of that activity going on tonight. Northern lights west of Buxton last night. Nancy shared that photo. Thanks to each and every one of you. You can see more of them at our website at valleynewslive.com. Search VNL Weather in your app store on your cellular device. You can upload your photos you take on your phone right from your phone. 50s return Wednesday and Thursday, but we'll have spotty sprinkles and light showers work their way through the region. That lasts into the early part of Friday as we cool back into the 40s. Nothing too hot in the forecast through the remainder of the 7-day period. The warmest will be on Thursday. On Monday of next week, we start warming up a little bit. We'll start our trend towards seasonable weather in the upper 50s to near 60 next week, and that will be welcome. But as you mentioned, we're drying out this grass. It's been buried by snow, and if it's a windy day, fire could be an issue.
This would be great.